grappling here. I'm going to show you guys another technique. Go ahead and lay down your back. We've been working on some guard opening possibilities, and this is a common technique. I don't think that the finish is the same as most people show it, but this is a common thing. You'll learn it in MMA classes, and a lot of no-gi. In the gi it works too, but they use the lapel. In no-gi it's going to look like this. I'm going to have hands on the biceps. I'm going to use one of my hands to control one of his wrists. Okay, slide down to the wrist. Once I do that, I want to pin it to the floor. Pin it and put all of my weight on it so he can't use it. Okay, I want to pass the wrist behind his back. I don't do that by muscling it and trying to reach. That's going to be too hard. What I want to do is I want to put all my weight here, and then I'm going to walk. As I walk, go ahead and come around to the other side, and you can check it out. Check out what's about to happen. You guys see his wrist? Now as I'm here, I'm going to shift my weight, drop to my left knee, and then I'm passing the hand. I got plenty of room so I can pass and control. I use my thumb. I don't grip with a 5-finger grip. I grip with my thumb. Can you see that? Okay, so I'm going to grip with my thumb, hold that sucker real tight, and my right elbow comes close to my body, and my shoulder is connected to his gut. This is important. You got it. Most people make this mistake. Look at my right knee. Can you see my right knee is on this side also? Look. See my right knee? So my right knee helps me hold the grip. Okay, if you guys just get all lazy and you go here, a lot of times the guy resisting, he starts pulling his arm out, and you're losing the grip as it is. And then over here, if you have a hole, he'll pummel underhook, and then he'll pull and break the grip. Okay, so when I control the wrist, I put all my weight. Once I grip, my knee's controlling it as well, and my shoulder's tight. So when he tries to pummel or try to free his wrist, I don't give any space. The next thing I do, some people teach it like this. It's not wrong, it's good, but it's not as strong. If I try to open a guy's guard, he better have weak legs. If he has strong legs, it's not gonna work, okay? So when I'm here, the very next technique, I'm gonna go to his neck. Once I go to his neck, I'm gonna hop right up to my feet, okay? Pick the guy up. Once I pick the guy up, I let him go, okay? Because I just wanna stand up, that's all I want. Once I'm here, I'm gonna start pushing his knee and stepping back. Now my right knee is gonna do cross knee slice. I still have his wrist. If his hand is caught in the loop, watch what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna pull and step around his head. And I'm already keeping his wrist, and I'm going for the armbar. He still can't move. He's trying to move around. There's nowhere to go. I'm gonna fall back. I let his wrist go at the last second. Take the arm. Okay. Time. And in the guard, hands on the biceps. Trying to get posture, but this isn't working. He's pulling me down. Okay, so I'm here. Control the wrist. Walk over, pass the wrist. Lock it using my knee, keeping things tight so he doesn't pummel. Go up to his neck, stand up. He may try to hook my leg. See, he wants to hook my leg, I don't let him. Drop him. Break the grip, knee slice. Come into his side. If his hand goes through here, I can't get the arm bar. See, if it's caught on the outside, he's gonna get arm barred. If it gets on the inside, I can't arm bar. But that's okay. I just control, give this hand to my left, and I start holding him and pulling it up his back. As he's trying to move, I'm just holding him, and I'm gonna submit him like that, just by pulling it up. If somehow, some reason, he got to his knees and you're pulling it up his back, this eventually will become an arm bar, okay? But you shouldn't let it. You should just keep your control. So last time, hands on the biceps, okay? Control the wrist, all my body weight. So he tries to move his wrist, walk over it, right knee's tight, my right shoulder's tight. Go to his neck. Pick the guy up. Open, cross knee, arm bar. Okay? And the last one would be catching the shoulder lock. This big boy right here. Guy's strong. See his elbow inside, hold. He's trying to move, he's trying to get up. Submit him right there. That's all we got. Thanks a lot.